Hello and welcome. Meet the WeeNest Baskets with handles, perfect for organizing any room in your home or office. These multifunctional wicker storage baskets come in a set of 3 different sizes to fit all your needs. Each basket features a decorative lidded design that helps keep your space tidy and clutter-free. Made from high-quality, water-resistant materials, they are sturdy and built to last. The handcrafted woven resin adds a stylish touch while providing durability. Stackable and easy to carry with handles, these baskets are both practical and elegant. Keep your home neat and beautiful with WeeNest's versatile storage solutions. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.